Hey YouTube, this is On the Prepper One, and this is breaking news. Hopefully it's nothing. Hopefully it's just a natural occurring event. But with everything crazy in this world that's happening, from processing fires at plants, animals getting destroyed in barns like chickens, the Winchester plant in Mississippi, there they have the rimfire plant, they have the centerfire plant, and they have the military contract plant that makes ammo for the military. I was just informed that I guess it has to be a very large transformer that is off-site, just blew, and it will have to be replaced. It took out all power at all three factories there on site. So, was this done on purpose? Was it an accident? Second shift has just gone home because there's no power at all to run the plant. And that's sort of weird. That is a national defense infrastructure that should have backup power so they can continue the running. So, it is down. Second shift has been released for the day. And they do not know when they'll be back up. They said to call in tomorrow. So hopefully they can get this thing replaced. It has to be a very large transformer to affect all three plants. So, boots on the ground is coming through for you. I appreciate all of you contributing, but this is a breaking story. Hopefully it is nothing. Hopefully it's just a natural occurring event, and Winchester will be back up and running tomorrow, making ammo. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.